Hello viewers, let's download and install Motorway app for our ease and recharge the vehicle on road along with change of particulars. So first click Play Store in your mobile and then go and click search and in search just type Motorway app. It appears at the first, so select it. Now note this sign Mtag 1 network. Click it and click install. Now click open and now click allow, and now two options appear, sign in and sign up. So we will use sign in because I have already an ID. Feed your CNIC number and mobile number which is already registered for sign in. Otherwise use sign up and click this button. Now an OTP will be sent on your number, about 6 digits. Feed that and enter your 4-digit PIN. It's sign in now. Let's click recharge. After this, from 500 to 5000 recharge is available on link 1 and just cash, which is the best solution. You can also click recharge button and same option appear for recharge. Now let's click one country, one tag. Click it and it will show you the entire detail of your all vehicles along with their unique numbers. Toll recharge history, click this button and you will see all recharge, travel and out. And now click settings for change of name, mobile number, etc. and then click this edit button. After clicking edit button, you can change your name and email address. However, mobile number and CNIC could not be changed over here. After changing name and email address, click update. And to change the mobile number, you should call 1313 and they will ask for your CNIC and last trip on motorway, in and out interchanges accordingly. Thanks for watching.